I'm Patrick, answering this question on the Ask Patrick series, where students do ask me questions and I try to answer based on what is good, what is not. And this specific question was asked by S.K. Prajapati. Basically, the question is, how should one analyze the mocks? I've already written a detailed answer, but anyway, I'll just give you a brief idea with regards to how do one goes about analyzing the mock. So if you look at CAT mock, you solve 3 hours of mock. But the analysis should be at least double of that. Means you may take 6 hours to actually analyze the whole mock. I'll break up the analysis into 3 basic parts. One is the analysis of the questions that you solved. Second is your record maintaining. And third is the strategy. The first, that will take the most of your time, is the question that you solve. So there are 3 types of questions which are there in the exam. One, where you've gone wrong. One, you have gone correct. And third, which you have not solved at all. So technically, ideally, the first step should be to try to solve the questions which you have not solved. I mean, just try to figure out why didn't you not solve the question? Are you able to solve it or not? And if you want, you can time that or you need not time it. That's upon you. But at least go through the questions and find out whether you can really solve it or not solve it. Second step, then go to the wrong questions. Find out why did you go wrong. Now, I remember one of my students, who went to IIM Bangalore, he used to make a record of every wrong question he does, write down in a book and why did he go wrong, which topic it was from, and what was the mistake that he committed. So maintain a proper record for where you've gone wrong, because the moment you correct it, you get more marks. So one basic way is to reduce your mistakes, and that will happen if you create a proper record of your wrong questions. Third, look at the questions you've gone right. Here, don't time yourself. For the wrong question, correct question, don't time yourself. Just go back to the questions and try to figure out, can I solve the same question in a better method or a better way? Understand, one way for your improvement is to try to get better ways of solving. And the correct question, if you can get a better method and you can save time, that will help you to solve more questions. So again, go to the wrong questions, go to the question that you have not solved, go to the wrong question, and also go to the correct questions, all 3 of them, very important. Now from this, when you analyze each and every question of yours in the exam, then go on to the record maintaining. For whatever question that was solved, if you find some questions which are very interesting, which you want to come back to, or you found good methods of few of the questions, do note down. Because when you come back, you can't go to all the questions again. So it makes sense to keep some record of what are the good questions that you want to refer to it again, or some method that you come across which you want to revise and use it somewhere else. Make a note of that. Okay, that will help. Apart from that, make a record of your scores. I mean, complete record of your scores in each section. Some people also go through topic wise. For example, geometry, so many questions were there, so many are correct, so many are wrong, so much I spend time. You can maintain that. Spend some time on record keeping, because that helps to motivate over a period of time. Where my improvement is taking place, where am I going wrong, where I need to focus my preparations on. All that will happen because if you keep a record properly. You can go even question wise, you can go with topic wise, the way you're comfortable with and the amount of time that you have. Last, strategy. Focus on the strategy and see where you went wrong, where you went right. I mean, go back, have you wasted too much time on a specific question? Were you able to go through all the questions? Do you feel there is a need to change the strategy? So again, make a note of the strategy which you used and what you felt worked in the exam, what you feel did not work in the exam. So if you had to solve the same paper again, what is the strategy that you use that will help you to score better? So try doing this, do a complete analysis. Analyzing the mock is what is going to help you improve in the future. To focus on the analysis of mock, and I'm sure it will help you with regards to improvement of your score. Thank you.